Here we have solving a system of linear equations by using substitution. Now the first step is to decide what variable I want to solve for. Looking at my system, I see that in the first equation y has a leading coefficient of 1. So the easiest variable to solve for would be y. So to solve for y, I'm going to start by subtracting my 3x from both sides, which leaves my new equation y equals negative 3x minus 7. Now, since I solved for y in the first equation, I'm going to substitute that in for y in the second equation, which gives me my new equation, negative 2x plus 4 times the quantity. I have to remember that when I make my substitution, I put this in parentheses, negative 3x minus 7 equals 0. Now I'm going to start by distributing this 4 to both terms, which leaves me with negative 2x minus 12x minus 28 equals 0. The next step is to combine my like terms. Negative 2x and a negative 12x is negative 14x minus 28 equals 0. If I add 28 to both sides, I get negative 14x equals positive 28. And then the last step to solve for x would be to divide by negative 14, which leaves me with x equals negative 2. Now, the solution to my system is an ordered pair, so I have to evaluate y. So if I take x equals negative 2 and I plug it into my original equation that I solved for y, I get y equals negative 3 times negative 2 minus 7. Negative 3 times negative 2 is a positive 6. 6 minus 7 gives me my solution y equals negative 1. So the solution to my system would be the ordered pair negative 2, negative 1.